ding 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 ding. So, I had the right sponge, the right ice cream, and the right sorbet. Next, getting the right light meringue covering. Ding 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 ding. Back at the lab, Chris and I tested eggs from different sorts of bird to see which made the best meringue. It's the proteins in an egg that determine how well it whisks. Raw egg whites contain curled up proteins made of two different amino acids. One loves air, the other water. Whisking air into the egg white attracts the air-loving end of each protein strand and it uncurls. These uncurled protein strands then bond with each other, end to end, to create a wall around the air bubbles. Ding 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 ding. So after all of those tests in the lab, we eventually decided to go for 7 to 10 day old chicken eggs in a Swiss meringue. The idea with this is that I've got the pan, the bowl of the mixer with the egg whites in it, pan of water, medium heat, and we need to bring these egg whites up to 60 degrees centigrade. This should take 5 to 10 minutes. Basically, whisking the egg whites over the heat helps stabilise the mixture. The heat's going to start actually coagulating the proteins in the egg white, and that will create a more stable foam. Okay, that's now reached 60 degrees. As this is meringue day, better stick it in another mixing bowl. Now to this, I'm going to add some sugar and then leave that mixing on 3/4 speed for about 5 minutes. While that's mixing, put some butter in a pan. And do you remember the super light cake that we made for the base? Well, here it is. Trim the cake to the same dimensions as the banana parfait that is in the freezer. Fry it gently on both sides for a short time in the melted butter until golden brown. Leave to cool. Meanwhile, fill a piping bag with the Swiss meringue and set aside. Next, spread some bitter orange marmalade evenly across one side of the cooled sponge and top with banana parfait. Place on a baking tray and pipe over the meringue. Put in the oven until the meringue starts to caramelise. My memory, and I think most people's memories of baked Alaska, a lot of people can't remember what it actually tasted like. But we all remember the flaming. That's really striking. And this dish is about contrasts. So the opposite to flame, the opposite to hot is cold. The opposite to very hot flaming is something with cold vapour. The vapours under my baked Alaska are from a bed of dry ice. Now that is my perfect baked Alaska.